Hello everyone, this is Yogesh and welcome back to the channel. So यार today's video is a really very great video. It's going to happen right because यार मुझे बहुत मजा आने वाला है इस वीडियो बनाने में और ऑडियंस को भी बहुत मजा आएगा इस वीडियो को देखने में because यहाँ पर मैं रिवील करने वाला हूँ like how much I have earned till now through my YouTube channel, right? Not other sources, only through the YouTube channel. So yeah, मतलब बहुत तुम से पूछते हैं यार कितने कमा लेते हो YouTube से, तो बहुत पैसे आते होंगे, right? But it's not that. Let me show you each and everything. Like I will be showing you my revenue वाला part also in this YouTube studio only, right? सब कुछ तुम्हारे सामने रहेगा, सब कुछ नहीं छुपाने वाला, right? So yeah, without wasting any time, let's start our video. So the first thing is this is our dashboard of our YouTube studio where you can see the total number of subscribers. So we have around 33,587 number of subscribers. So yeah, अगर तुम सब्सक्राइब तक नहीं किए हो तो प्लीज जाके सब्सक्राइब कर दो और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर देना so that you will be notified first when we upload our new videos, right? And yeah, so this was the number of subscribers. So I will show you the revenue at the end. Let me show you each and everything which is there in this YouTube analytics. So let's move on to this one, that is the audience, like from where I am getting the audience, कैसे कैसे audience है और किस तरह के audience है. Let's see these things. So currently I am showing you for the last 28 days and we have total 24,000 people are returning viewers, that is they are watching our videos and they're again coming back to see the new videos, right? We have around 67,000 new viewers, so that we can say that कोई पहला बंदा है जो पहला बार वीडियो देख रहा है, so that is the new unique viewers, right? So that is 67,000. So let's see for the last 90 days. So for the last 90 days I have the returning viewers as 49,000 and unique viewers were 2,000, like 200,000, right? 200k. So that is a very huge number, right? Let me show you some more things. Like we can see that total number of people who watch our video from different regions. So from India we can see that we have 95% people are watching through India because we have maximum videos in Hindi, right? Because पहले हम लोग हिंदी में वीडियोस बनाते थे and अभी हम लोग like Java series we have uploaded, so that we started with English, correct? So like maximum viewers like told to make in Hindi only, but somewhere there also who wanted in English as well. So सोचा कि चलो English से भी start किया जाए, right? So that's why we have maximum viewers from India. Others we have 0.8% people from United States, we have 0.5 people from the Pakistan as well, 0.3 from Bangladesh, Nepal, and we can see that like people who watch our videos, 28% people only have subscribed who watch our videos and 71% people have not subscribed our channel. तो क्या हो रहा है यार, सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को. तुम लोग वीडियोस देख लेते हो फिर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हो तो ये गलत बात है यार. पहले सब्सक्राइब करो, अगर तुम अभी वीडियो देख रहे हो तो पहले सब्सक्राइब करो फिर आगे वीडियो को कंटिन्यू करना, करेक्ट? सो लेट्स सी द एज एंड जेंडर वाला पार्ट. सो वी हैव अराउंड 78% पीपल, दोज आर मेल एंड 21% पीपल आर फीमेल. तो यूजर्स ये हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है फॉर द जेंडर. एंड इफ वी talk about age, so we have a maximum audience from 18 to 24 years of age, so we can conclude that maximum people are college students who are around 18 to 28 years wala age section mein aate. Some 12% people are from 25 to 34. I guess those are working professionals. So this was related to the audience wala part. Let's move on to the engagement. So we have the engagement wala section in which you can see the total number of watch hours and all. So in the last 28 days we can see that we have 9.4 thousand watch hours, right? So मैं तो बता दूं, so for monetization, like for the first 2 months we didn't got anything, right? So what is the criteria for monetization? You have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? तो वो हमें यार करने में 2 महीने लग गए थे, but we can see that in the last 28 days only we are getting 9.4 thousand watch hours. So let me get it to the lifetime, that is till we have started. So let me tell one more thing, that we have started channel around 1 year to 4 months, like 1 year 4 months से हमारा channel चल रहा है and from starting till now we have total watch hours as 181,000. तो समझ रहे हो यार कि monetize करने के लिए 4,000 watch hour हमें चाहिए, but we have around 181,000. तो बहुत ही huge number है, correct? And like I will discuss about this graph as well later on. Let me show you some more things. नीचे ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, like we can see the total number of top videos. Like we can see this was the coding journey वाला video was there and which is in the top. CS code beta वाला videos है top playlist. So we have array that is in a trending, then graph, binary trees. So we have prepared, so those who don't know like what is there in our channel, so we have prepared lots of videos related to the different DSS series, right? So I have a DSS sheet I have solved, like almost maximum question I have solved, so you can go and check out that series if you want to solve, right? And card वगैरह सा तो ये सब ज़्यादा important नहीं. Let me show you the reach वाला part. So this is a very good one. That is, you can see the impression it is written. So we can conclude what is impression. So total number of people are getting, like we can say that our thumbnail is being shown to total number of people. So we can say that in last 28 days 1.8 million people have seen our thumbnails in their YouTube browse feature, right? Like in browse feature or notification anywhere, like they have seen our thumbnail, right? And out of that, impression click-through rate is 6.1%. It means that from total people who have seen our thumbnail, 6% people have clicked that. तो क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग, click नहीं कर रहे हो? Like let me show you for the last lifetime, that is in 1 year to 4 months का. So 35 million people have seen our thumbnail, and out of that 5.9% people have clicked our thumbnails, right? So it is generally said that if you have impression click-through rate more than 5%, so it is like you can say that your channel is a good one. मतलब बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ सही है, चैनल सही चल रहा है. So yes, हमारा तो 5% से ज़्यादा है तो सही चल रहा है. And we have total 3 million, तो हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि अभी हमारा 3 million views क्रॉस हो चुका है, राइट? तो थैंक यू. तो यार ये सिर्फ मेरे चलते नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ तुम लोगों के चलते भी हुआ है, बिकॉज यू हैव सीन द वीडियोस, राइट? एंड वी हैव पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स, राइट? ये 3 मिलियन व्यूज आना, इट्स नॉट अ वेरी इजी टास्क, राइट? यार एक दिन में नहीं होगा, 2 दिन में नहीं होगा. इट विल टेक टाइम, राइट? एंड इट विल टेक योर एफर्ट एज वेल. तो मैं एंड शैलेश, वी बोथ, योगेश एंड शैलेश, वी बोथ हैव पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स टू ब्रिंग आवर व्यूज to this level, right? And let me show them some sources. So we have got 54% people are getting through YouTube search. So people are getting our videos through YouTube search, and those are 54%. 10% through the playlist, that they are going through the playlist and they can see the videos. So 10% are from the playlist. Browse features से 10% आ रहे हैं, and some suggested videos are 4.9%. एक्सटर्नल, सो दैट इज फ्रॉम वेयर आई एम शेयरिंग. तो व्हाट्सएप वगैरह में शेयर करता हूँ, देयर फ्रॉम 8% फ्रॉम द व्हाट्सएप. टेलीग्राम, लिंक्डइन वगैरह से आते रहता है. गूगल सर्च में तुम मारोगे तो 68% तुम्हें मिल जाएगा. सो दिस वाज द थिंग. लाइक यू कैन सी दैट इफ आई विल सर्च इन यूट्यूब, लाइक आई विल गो टू द यूट्यूब एंड सिंपली आई विल सर्च कोड लाइब्रेरी, कोड LIBRARY. सो सिंपली तुम्हें यार नीचे डायरेक्टली आ रहा होगा, लाइक कोड लाइब्रेरी, DP, लिंक लिस्ट, स्ट्रिंग, ट्रीज, BST, स्टैक, तो तुम्हें सब कुछ मिल जाएगा, राइट? यू विल सर्च एंड डायरेक्टली विल गेट द चैनल. तो मतलब ये सर्च एल्गोरिथम में ये बहुत अच्छे से फिट हो गया है. इनफैक्ट इफ यू विल राइट माय नेम एज वेल, इफ आई विल राइट माय नेम YOGENDRA, so you will get in the search engine as well. Yogesh, the code forces lead code chef. If I will search my name as well, so you can see that a lot of video related to my content only. It like Unacademy का हो गया, अलग-अलग जगह का हो गया. So they are being shown. Code chef वाला भी हो गया video, so they are shown, right? So yeah, this was related to the audience. Now let's come to the main thing, and like I will not take too time, and let's move on to here. So I can see that you can, तुम यार तुम्हारा नजर यहीं जा रहा होगा, that is how much I have earned. So I will show you the subscribers, watch time, views, and total number of amount I have earned in the last 28 days. I am showing you for the last 28 days I have earned around $125, right? And let's see of lifetime वाले देखते हैं, because वही important है. So we can see that in the last 1 year 4 months से हमारा चैनल चल रहा है, right? But from when we started earning, so let me show that. So well, let's convert this. So we have earned around $1965. If I convert this into the rupees, because rupees में अच्छा लगता है देखने में, so Indian rupee में चलते हैं. Let's save this. So total 1,46,266 rupees I have earned in the total revenue from this YouTube channel, right? मतलब AdSense है, not sponsorship and other things. So वो सब मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सिर्फ YouTube ads, right? So I have earned around 1,46,266 in the last कितने months में वो चेक कर लेते हैं. So like we started in the month of 26 अक्टूबर को स्टार्ट हुआ था, सॉरी मैं नवंबर, like नवंबर ही बोल सकते हैं, right? So we started like the amount was 0.0000, 1 रुपए भी नहीं मिल रहा था, right? And in this 2 months you can't believe, like we were uploading at least 2 videos per day. एक दिन में 3 वीडियो डाल दिया था, but yeah, that was only for 1 day. But we were trying to upload at least 2 videos per day. 2 वीडियोस हम लोग डाल रहे थे. Like you can see how much efforts we were making. And after that, like कभी-कभी एक वीडियो भी होता था, 2 वीडियोस भी होते थे. But we were trying to make as much content as possible for you guys, because बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे like भैया फटाफट वीडियोस लाइए, because हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं और हमारे वीडियोस चाहिए. So फटाफट we were trying to make some videos, and in the last 2 months we have like बहुत सारे वीडियोस हम लोग डाले थे. एंड आफ्टर लाइक 2 months के बाद, अराउंड 2 months ही है, 2 months 2.5 months, आवर चैनल गॉट मोनेटाइज्ड. and the first money which we received is 54 rupees in 11th of January. So the first day we started earning was 11th of January through this YouTube ads ad, and we can see that 84, 95, 100, 130, 200, 400, something like that, 600 we can see. So yeah, देखो यहाँ पर 300 भी आ रहा है, 400. So we can see that 300, 400 is the average money which we earn daily, correct? So total is 1.46, right? And if we see the views, so we have 3.1 million total views, but तुम लोग देख सकते हो ग्राफ हमारा कुछ कंसिस्टेंट नहीं है. सो YouTube वी कैन सी दैट लाइक बहुत ही फ्लक्चुएट करता है. वी कैन सी दैट ये स्टार्टिंग में व्यूज बहुत ही इंक्रीज हो रहे थे. यू कैन सी दैट इट वाज इंक्रीजिंग अ लॉट, 4000, 5000 व्यूज, व्हाट वाज 9000, 10000, तो 11, 12000 तक भी व्यूज हमारा चला गया था पर डे का. लाइस फॉर द पर डे वी आर गेटिंग 10,000, 11,000 व्यूज, बट इट अगेन स्टार्टेड गेटिंग रिड्यूसिंग. द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस इज दैट अर्लियर वी वर ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन दिस YouTube channel only, and we were uploading, at least we were trying to upload a single video per day. Like January, February तो यार 2 वीडियोस करके आए थे, and after that we were trying to upload at least a video per day, right? But after June and July, I guess our internship started, and I also started to look into some different fields, like teaching में कर रहा था मैं, and different fields से बस अब डिस्कस करेंगे कभी और दूसरे वीडियो में. So like थोड़े वीडियोस कम हो गए थे, we were uploading 3 videos, 4 videos like that per day. So video views little bit reduced, but again it got increased, and now it is constant, right? Constant type का, because I am uploading 3 videos and 4 videos, और 3 videos बोल सकते हैं per week, correct? In the last 48 hours we can see that we have around 13,000 around views, इस तरह के views है, correct? And watch time देख ले तो 181k है यार, इनका भी ऐसे ही सीन है. Subscribers is around 33,600 ऐसा कुछ है. So let me show you the amount which I am earning in the monthly wise. So we can see that हमारा जनवरी में कैसा सीन था, सॉरी ये देखना हमें. So earnings, so January, March, so the first earning which we received is on March, because it is there is a threshold that after $100 you can redeem the money. Before that you cannot redeem. So January, February में redeem नहीं कर पाया था because $100 वाला threshold पार नहीं हुआ था. But in March that was able to, we were able to do, and I think March में भी शायद नहीं मिला था, because if you have $100 तो 7,000 से ऊपर होते हैं, right? So it's showing only. I don't think ये वाला आया था. So January like कितना generate हुआ था revenue, how much revenue was generated in March? So it was, अच्छा ये last 12 months का सिर्फ दिखा रहा है, that's right, sorry. So it is 3,500, then 4,000, 7,000, 10,000, 14,000, 13,000, 12. So we can see that यार हमारा around ये जो हमारा earnings है, this is for the 14 months. That is, it is from the February से बोल सकते हैं, January, February से. So 14 months के around बोल सकते हैं, तो it is 1,40 something था, right? So average we can see that 10,000 per month हमारा हिसाब बैठ रहा है, right? So this is the earning. So it is not too much, right? And I am trying to put a lot of efforts to bring a lot of content for you guys. So यार इतना तो बनता है सब्सक्राइब करना, राइट? तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार चैनल को. तो दिस वाज एवरीथिंग. आई गेस तुम्हें समझ आ गया होगा कि उतना ज्यादा अर्निंग नहीं होती है. आई हैव अराउंड 33,000 प्लस सब्सक्राइबर्स, बट अर्निंग इज अराउंड लाइक दिस. तो YouTube एडसेंस से उतना नहीं आता है. द थिंग विच यू ऑल गाइस एक्सपेक्ट, द मैक्सिमम अर्निंग्स आई हैव इज फ्रॉम द स्पॉन्सरशिप, फ्रॉम द इंटर्नशिप, फ्रॉम द टीचिंग वाला पार्ट. सो दोज आर द मेजर वाला पार्ट. विल बी डिस्कसिंग दोज थिंग एज वेल इन सम सेपरेट वीडियो. सो दिस वाज डेडिकेटेड टू द YouTube only. So I have showed this part. I guess you have understand everything from this, and I think you also learned a lot of things like कैसे कैसे क्या YouTube काम करता है and all, right? So this was everything for today's video. I guess you have understood a lot of things. तो चलो मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.